Oh, all right, guys. Some thoughts on Breezewood Proving Ground. We're up here. It's in Clearville, Pennsylvania. It's my first time up here, and this place is wild. The facility's huge. There's like 2 big bike tracks and a small bike track. But I'm telling you, I don't know if it's just this weekend or what, but this place is chaos. Oh, the blaster ran into the demo bike. It's like you can't find a place to park. So many people here camping. Yeah, guys, just a lot of sketchy dudes on quads here. They're just like riding wheelies through the pit, screwing around. The kids track. Yamaha demos are here, and I don't know, it just seems like an accident waiting to happen for me. There are like kids buzzing around on pit bikes with no helmets, like on and off the tracks, not looking either way. It's a mulch pile. The kids are busting out on pit bikes, and it's on pavement. It's hot. Yeah, so they got like a really cool like reception hangout area over here on a concrete pad, and then over here behind me they have the parts barn. It looks like a race shop and bike rentals and stuff. I mean, this place has got a lot going for it as far as facility wise. Everything seems like it's labeled. Wish they'd be a tad more organized. I haven't even been on the intermediate track yet. I've only been on the advanced track, and I'll tell you, there's nothing advanced about it at all. It's very safe, very flowy. Tyler went on the intermediate track for a minute, and Tyler is you know, like a C-level, like a novice, and he said it's a absolute beginner track. So we'll try to go out there in a minute. They had a woods loop. I was going to ride some of the Yamahas off-road, and it got real powdery, so they closed it down 30 minutes into the demos. That they can't fit the water truck out here, so they were wanting us to take the YZ250X and the 450FX and 250FX, the trail bikes with kickstands and soft suspension. They want us to take those out on the moto track, which sketches me out because the MX suspension's already too soft for me at 200 pounds. So I don't know, but I took the YZ250F out there and messed up the video. Accidentally had the GoPro in time-lapse mode, and I did get a YZ450F and YZ250X vids. Tyler's hopefully got a little bit of vids, and about to take Tyler's 19 RMZ 450, take it out on the moto track. I've only ridden it on the turn track at home. So I'm gonna take it out on the moto track and get some feel for it, and try to get some more sessions in on my bike, which so far today is my clear favorite, the KTM 450 SXF. I haven't rode the new Cowleys, so I can't say how much better they are than those, but I just feel like the KTM is light years better than the Yamahas. And I know the shootouts don't reflect that, but it's just probably more to do with my personal riding style and feel and everything. But I just cannot jive with these Yamahas. And the YZ250F, it felt like there was something wrong with it, and 2 or 3 other people up there were saying the same thing. Couldn't get over the jumps on it. Felt very weak, very weak. So I don't know, but we're just we're happy to be out on the open road doing stuff we enjoy doing. The way up here last night was pretty wild. We had plugged a tire, and the plug failed about 2.5 hours into the trip, so we were changing a tire on the side of the interstate almost midnight. Cars whizzing by, so that was fun. And so then we get a hotel, we finish up the drive this morning, we get here, and I had forgot to go to the ATM. Before we pulled in, I asked Tyler, I was like, you got me, right? You got some cash on you? He said, yeah. And we get there and she's like, it's 50 bucks. I'm like, okay. I thought she was talking about $50 for both of us. No, it's $50 a person to ride just today, just for one day. So there's no phone service out here. And even if there was, she acted like they wouldn't let me PayPal or Facebook Pay, or they don't take credit cards. So we had to drive 13 miles back into Breezewood, Pennsylvania on these windy little roads to get to an ATM so I could get money out so we could come back and pay to ride. So she didn't seem like she wanted to help me either, so it kind of annoyed me. But we got it. We got back in time, found a parking spot, and you know, we're having a good time. So thanks for watching these videos, and I'll throw up some shots of the facility for you, and see you in the next one. You Northeast people are freaking crazy. How does anybody get any good safe practice?